Do some skincare unboxing. I just got a bunch of products and I thought let's use them, test them out. The first one, I actually have it on already and I'm blown away. First impression, blown away by how good it is. So it says it's 5 serums in one, and I didn't want to believe the hype. I actually was very skeptical to put it on. I was like, it's just going to be another serum, whatever. But this stuff's pretty amazing. It is a dropper style. So you get the dropper, and that iridescent bottle is the same color as the serum. So let me put a little bit on my finger for you. So that's what it looks like. And then it glides on super smooth. It gives you that perfect glow, and it has lots of benefits. So it's the power of 5 serums in one. I have it all over my face right now. I love this to wear under makeup, or this could just be what you wear instead of makeup because it gives you such a nice glow. I just got this. It just came in the mail today and I'm super excited about it. The box is really nice too. So very beautiful serum by Olay. It's the Super Serum 5-in-1. So that one is the first unboxing. These were in a video of an influencer I watch who I know, I don't know her personally, but I trust her. I trust her opinions. And she said this is absolutely phenomenal. So she got me to buy it. I was influenced enough to buy it. So these are facial pads. And you cleanse your face, and then you're gonna take out a pad, and then you're gonna use it on it. So let's open it. Look how pretty this box is. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that shine. Okay, so it has glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid, and then all the vitamins. And it has this cool like magnetic jar. So let me tell you what that is. Okay, I opened it upside down, but here we go. This is one of those like you have to open a bazillion seals to get it. So we're truly unboxing right now, guys. Let me get this open for you. The suspense might be killing you. Okay, here we go. And then we have this little seal right here. All right, there's the inside. So this little spoon has a magnet side to it. They smell really good. And then you can use that to pick up one of the pads at a time, I believe. I think that's what, oh no, I think you're just supposed to use the little spoon, duh. There's not a magnet in a pad. Okay, so the magnet is just to attach the spoon up there when you're done. The spoon is so that you're not contaminating it with your fingers. You can use this to kind of start lifting it up. And then you're gonna use this, so the bumpy side on the skin, and it's gonna resurface it. Smells really, really nice. Gonna take away any dirt and oils. I love that. And then the directions on this one are kind of interesting. So you can actually then flip it and use the other side to kind of wipe it away when you're done. So it says gently cleanse and dry your face, scoop out a pad with the spatula, which I did, and then wipe it over the skin, avoid the eye area, did that. You're gonna let the skin dry, so my skin's still drying right now, and enjoy the glow. Use once a day. You can use them in the AM, and it says use sunblock as well. So there we go. Okay, and then if you look how much all that came off. So it got a lot of my makeup off. And then the influencer who I watched, who kind of sold me on it, said she flips it over and then uses it on her underarms, which I thought was really fascinating. I would never think to do that. So that's super cool. And then when you're done, toss it in the trash. So this is great. It's a vitamin boost for your skin. And this is my first impression with it so far. I'm really, really liking it. So it's anti-aging, soothing, and then it's that exfoliating pad. So it's gonna give me good new renewal of my skin on there. Top part back in, and we'll go to the next product. You may know this brand if you are a skincare fan. This is COSRX. I always call it COSRX. I don't know why I say that. It's COSRX. And it's the Snail Mucin all-in-one. It's the 92. And it's the tube style. So it used to come in like a jar, but I really like this tube style. So Snail Mucin is the secretion by snails. And I absolutely love using this on my skin. So it's incredibly hydrating, great for anti-aging. That's what it looks like. It kind of has like a little bit of like, let's see if I can get it today. See how it does that? That's like, reminds me of snails. Like it's just kind of like, ooh. So that's really, really nice. Not a strong smell to it at all, but it works really, really well. So this one has 92% snail secretion to it, and it helps to give you that healthy glow. So I think you can see it pretty instantly gave me that really nice, healthy glow. So from Snails, Emu Oil. Emu Oil. Never knew that was a thing until recently. Reached out to the brand and they sent me this sample. And then I actually reached back out to them and I said, wait a minute, how is the oil harvested? Because I don't want any emus to be injured if this is just like they're raised for beauty consumption. So they assured me that absolutely that's not the case. The emus are used for their meat in Australia. And then this is, the oil is what's not eaten. Okay, so that's from, actually it's from their back fat. So it's extracted from the back fat of an emu, and the meat is eaten in Australia. Emu oil has been used for a long time by the Aborigines in Australia. So we're basically zero waste to the emu that was used for meat. So actually that made me feel a lot better about it, and it is natural and they don't test on animals. So I had some major concerns after this arrived to me. I was like, wait a minute, what am I about to put on my face? So this is the emu oil. You can actually use this for skincare. You can use it in your hair. It's my first time opening it, first time looking at it. Doesn't seem to have a strong smell. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on my fingertip. Okay, that's too little. Let's grab some actual. Seems like a pretty big dropper. Okay. So compared to this one, which just really glides on, this one's a little more of, I don't want to say sticky, but a little more of like a castor oil feel to it. So a little bit more like a castor oil feel. It gives you that nice glow. And you can use this all over your face. You can even use it in your hair as well. So if you want to do it in the scalp, you're just going to put a couple drops in. And if you want to use it for aches and pains, you can use this for aches and pains. Wow, it's like very multi-purposeful. It's a pretty big jar. You can rub this topically on an area that you may have some pain, maybe some lower back pain. You can put it on your skin, and you can wipe off the excess as well. So for me, it really just kind of hydrated and gave me a nice glow on it. And then they use the amber bottle because that keeps it protected and makes it last longer. So very impressed. First time using emu oil. It's pretty cool. Cool new product right there. Let me know what you think about that. I think it's really cool. And then the next one, Glow Recipe. So I really love this one. This is what it looks like. It is the Watermelon Glow. So Watermelon Glow Recipe. It's the PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. So this one you can put onto a cotton ball, put it in your hands. Either way, it smells so good. It smells just like watermelons. It smells insane. So good. So then it has this little stopper here. And then if you want to just pour it in your hand, like a couple drops, and then you can put it on your face to give you that toner benefit. Now, usually you'll do toner and then moisturizer, so I'm a little bit out of order. It smells so, so good. If you just love the smell of watermelons, you are going to love it. I also like the bottle. It has like kind of like ridges here, so it's easy to hold it. It has a unique bottle style to it. So that's the toner, new favorite toner. Absolutely obsessed. And then this one's so exciting. Okay, Grace and Stella just came out with new eye masks. These ones are restoring eye mask. You get 24 of them. They have sea moss and hyaluronic acid and retinol. So this is my first time trying these out. So look at all the ones you get in there. And then they're individually wrapped, which I also love because then you can bring these as gifts to people. One of the other brands I have tells you like this side up. This one doesn't, but I'm gonna assume it's the back side because you wanna slide the tray out. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna feel for it. Yeah, so once you get it, you slide it out. Otherwise you end up fishing in there for the eye mask and it's kind of a hot mess. So, wow, you guys, wait till you see these. These are so beautiful. It's like the most beautiful skincare tonight. Okay, look at that. So they're purple, but also iridescent. They remind me so much of that Oil of Olay bottle. Oh, these go on so easily. Okay. Can I just talk about the shine? You guys, like, it reminds me of it. So, wow. Wow. I'm so impressed already. It just feels so good, and the way it just like hugs your eye area is so nice. Okay, let's put the other one on. They're a little bit thicker, which I like, and they just go on so easily, and it's so soothing, just right away. Totally soothing. I think they're cute too. They're so pretty. I love it. So you just wear these for 15 to 20 minutes. You can multitask with them because you can see they're not falling off my face. So usually what I'll do is I'll put them on and then I'll go ahead and do my hair and start getting ready for the day. You also can do what I really love to do, which is put them on, put on a meditation and go lay down and rest and restore your eyes and restore your mind for 15 to 20 minutes. That's the best. So I love how these feel, and I am so excited to see the results after wearing them for a little more time. These are amazing. These are by Grace and Stella. They're brand new. They feel so good. I like how they even like look on your face. Sometimes you look kind of creepy. These don't look creepy at all. These are amazing. Just in those few minutes, I feel like my eye area has like completely rejuvenated. It looks tighter and brighter. So any puffiness I had, it's the end of the day. I kind of had some black like mascara starting to show up. Gone. I feel very alert too. So I am going to say these are absolutely incredible. I'm a huge fan now. Everyone grab that. You're going to love it. All right, you want to say goodbye?
Yeah.
Okay, say goodbye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Happy shopping. You can click all the links. We'll be back. And if you haven't hit the follow button, yay, good night. Have a blessed night yourself as well. Now I have some good glowing skin. All right, bye.